Good afternoon, people. Today we have another cute doggy baby video. Let's get right into it.
Give a kiss.
Oh. Oh, surprise. He's like, oh shit, I gotta get down from here. Reminds me of my baby sister, even though she's 12 years old now. She used to laugh at little things like this. Probably all babies do. Oh, that's a tease.
Here you go. Psych.
Oh, that baby.
Here you go. Oh, score.
I wonder if the baby was actually trying to feed it to the dog. Good doggy. What the?
Rudy sneeze.
Oh, the dog sneeze. Oh. Why was the dog sneezing so much? Oh shit. See that? Cry? Baby's gonna cry? Don't poke its eyes out. Ah, what the f... Ah! Alright, alright. He loves the doggy.
Scarlet, you want to come out? You want to come out?
She said no. Oh, jeez, trying to stuff. No, trying to protect the kid. That's so cute. I love that.
Honey, you're standing on it. Oh, let's uncover the baby, honey. The baby's warm. No, the baby's cold. It needs to be covered.
Ooh, what's up here, mommy? That's what he's thinking, probably. Oh, shit. That dog looks... Can't tell, actually.
You want it? You want it? Look, look, look. I said they've been doing this.
A nine, a nine, a nine, nine,
Oh, he's fighting it. I wonder why babies laugh whenever something like this happens. It's not scary. I wonder if I ever laughed as a kid. Oh no, if he tries to sit up, he's gonna flip her. That is funny. So you gotta be careful. That's good stuff. Oh, now is the doggy playing? It is, right? Oh, that's funny. I like doggies. Oh, don't bite the hand now.
Sit. Sit.
I love how the baby was sitting. Alright, that's how I'm gonna end it. That's pretty good stuff. Like, if you guys like watching this kind of stuff with me, it's all over the internet. You can continue to watch me if you like my reactions or the videos I'm watching or whatever. Anyways, hope you guys have a great day. See ya.